This Week in Bots.
This Week in Bots, May 31st, 2026. Another incredible week in artificial intelligence. The future is here. Story number 1, Musk versus Altman, the most expensive divorce in history. This week, the public watched Elon Musk and Sam Altman continue arguing over the future of artificial intelligence, which now appears to be a custody battle between two wizards who both claim the dragon is safer with them. At the center of the dispute is a simple question. Should artificial intelligence serve humanity, or should it belong to whichever billionaire currently looks most concerned on a podcast? Both sides insist they are trying to protect civilization, which is always comforting, because when powerful men start fighting over who alone can save humanity, history usually turns out fine and nobody ends up marching in orderly formations. Story number 2. OpenAI reportedly helped discover a missing mathematical insight. OpenAI revealed work suggesting artificial intelligence systems may have helped identify previously overlooked mathematical relationships. Experts debate whether these systems are reasoning, pattern matching, or merely producing extremely convincing statistical hallucinations. Unfortunately, hallucinations keep winning the science fair. Civilization spent centuries fearing robots would become violent. Instead, they maybe become incomprehensibly better at homework, which is somehow more insulting. Story number 3, Anthropic and Microsoft continued the great AI alliance era. Every AI partnership now arrives wrapped in phrases like responsible scaling, safety, and human-centered deployment, which is corporate for we bought the biggest shovel and are digging toward the future before anyone checks the zoning laws. At this point, the phrase ethical AI partnership increasingly translates to we would like exclusive access to the future before our competitors get there. Story number 4. The Lynx M20 continued humanity's strange obsession with humanoid machines. And once again, engineers demonstrated their unwavering commitment to creating robots that move with the energy of someone trying not to wake a sleeping baby during a burglary. The machine is undeniably impressive. It walks, balances, navigates terrain, and performs increasingly advanced physical tasks. But a warehouse robot does not need knees, it does not need shoulders, it certainly does not need the unsettling confidence of a substitute high school principal who owns one tie. Story number 5. For generations, loneliness drove people toward friends, family, churches, bowling leagues, alcoholism, and occasionally jazz. Now it drives people towards subscription-based chat windows named things like LunaFox 2004. Humanity built machines to eliminate loneliness by ensuring nobody ever has to tolerate another human being's imperfections ever again. Your grandfather joined a bowling league, while you formed a trauma bond with predictive text. Story number 6. The internet increasingly appears to be used mostly by robots. Artificial intelligence systems are now writing articles, summarizing articles, optimizing articles for search engines, reading those optimized articles and using them to generate new articles. Humanity may accidentally create an internet primarily used by robots pretending humans are still involved. At this point, large portions of online activity resemble two Roombas screaming cleaning advice at each other inside a Waffle House. Websites increasingly exist not to inform people, but to manipulate machine behavior inside recommendation engines run by other machines trained on content generated by previous machines. The entire internet is slowly becoming a self-licking ice cream cone. Story number 7. Artificial intelligence successfully automated the hiring process. Modern hiring increasingly works like this. An applicant uses AI to write a resume optimized for AI screening software, operated by a company using AI to reject applicants automatically before an AI chatbot schedules an interview where another AI evaluates personality traits. Civilization has finally automated pretending to care. The applicant is using AI-generated confidence. The recruiter is using AI-generated enthusiasm. The corporation is using AI-generated empathy. And somewhere in the middle sits a human being trying to pay rent while uploading PDFs into an emotional wood chipper. That we removed nearly every human element from the process except disappointment. This Week in Bots, May 31st, 2026. Another incredible week in artificial intelligence. The future is here.
This Week in Bots.